teacher.
What is a baby horse called?
A baby horse is called F-O-A-L, foal.
What is a baby dog called?
A baby dog is called puppy.
What is a baby cat called?
Baby cat is called kitten.
What is a baby sheep called?
A baby sheep called